On the interview, we meet Nomsa Kumalo, a Youth for Christ manager. She manages one of the projects in the Durban office. She'll be sharing on community work, street work, aftercare, and some aspects of our work in schools. Nomusa is going to be sharing our story of hope, how we serve. Enjoy the interview.
And good morning. I am Anna Kumalo Isimbongo and I am located in KwaZulu-Natal. Namhlanje, I have a very special guest, Konalana, a Youth for Christ, and I'm just gonna let her introduce herself. Welcome to the show.
Hi everyone, I'm Nomsa Kumalo, a manager at Youth for Christ KZN. It's a non-profit organization that works with children and youth to give back hope. As we find that most children and youth, they find difficulties within our communities. They end up being separated from the families due to the lack of financial problems at home. Yeah, so that way we come up as the organization to assist children and youth to gain their strength and be able to stand for themselves.
Mobile creating this organization to create an organization that is non-profitable is actually very impressive. Because why woman ize ikufakele mhlambe imali, just doing it to help abanye abantu, to benefit abanye abantu, not to benefit yourself. So mina-ke ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi i-Youth for Christ kahle kahle yona yenzani? Yeah, yenzani? Busuchazile, but can you emphasize ugcine kabanzi ukuthi what does it actually do? Yeah.
Okay, Youth for Christ, if I might say, as I said, we work with children and youth. So we're basically working in Inanda, in nearby areas at Inanda, whereby we work with schools. There's a program called Change Agents where we do life skills in schools, doing HIV programs. And also we do have the aftercare program where we work within the communities that we work in trying to assist children.
Besides in social media or YouTube, ngifuna ukubuya e-Youth for Christ ukuze ngikwazi ukuqeqesheka as a teenager. Ngithola kanjani mina ngifuna ama-programs akanjani?
Okay, as I've mentioned that we've got drop-in centers within the communities.
Okay.
So we do have two drop-in centers. One is at Itafuleni and the other one is at Emawoti. So we allow any child who want to come and have our program be given to them. So anyone is allowed to come and visit us, and we are happy to assist every child within these communities that we work with.
So the programs now
No, we only work on Monday to Friday.
now after school.
Yes, we do have after school programs where we do we assist children with homeworks, and also we do facilitate some of the life skills that children need, especially when we do pick up some problems or any issues that affecting young children, like bullying and all that. So we facilitate that topic on that period of time.
So guys, a Youth for Christ, if you are interested ukufunda nje kabanzi, you can come join us. Bayatholakala social media, right? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, my platforms. They also have after school programs Monday to Friday. If you have a problem at school, you can go. If you have a problem with your relationship as a teenager, there's an advisor. Yeah.